Identity Theft Awareness Week 2024 starts on January 29th. The following information is offered to help you avoid becoming a victim. Just as there are people working to try to steal your identity for nefarious purposes, so too are there people working hard to prevent that theft. There are many reasons why identity theft has increased, but a major one is that there is so much personal information out there now about each of us. A cybercriminal can use a combination of your email, full name, birth date, address, and answers to security questions like your pet's name, your mom's birth name, your elementary school, etc. to steal your identity. And all that information is available online with just a little technical know-how. How to protect yourself from identity theft online. It's a pretty scary prospect that can make the average person feel helpless. Here are 6 tips for protecting yourself from identity theft online. Number 1, don't overshare. Sharing the minute details of our lives online has become so common over the past decade that most of us don't even think about it anymore. But when you share lots of personal details about yourself, you're not just connecting with your community, you're also supplying a rich trove of information to cybercriminals to use if they want to steal your identity. Something as innocuous as your pet's name can be used to answer security questions, so consider making your social media profiles private to restrict access to that info. Number 2, download Avast Secure Identity. Avast Secure Identity is the latest offering from global cybersecurity and privacy company Avast. If you're interested, just follow the link listed. It protects you by constantly and continuously monitoring places like social media and the dark web to immediately identify if your personal and financial information have been leaked. When it finds something, Avast Secure Identity informs you immediately so you can act or engage our certified protection experts. Avast Secure Identity also offers credit report monitoring for one U.S. credit bureau, lost wallet protection, white glove restoration, and identity theft reimbursement up to $1 million. It quite literally protects you while you sleep, so you rest easy knowing you're safe. There are other products that offer similar protection, and you'll find that information at the link listed. Number 3, use strong authentication methods. Usually we say use strong passwords, but these days passwords just aren't enough. If you really want to protect yourself from identity theft online, the best way to do that is through multiple identity authentication methods, which is also called multi-factor authentication or sometimes two-factor authentication. Sometimes that means a strong password plus a strong PIN. Sometimes it's a biometric sign-in, like your face or fingerprint. Sometimes it's a pass key generated by a third party. Whichever method you choose, remember that each login should be unique and, if it's a password or PIN that you generate, hard to guess. Quite often, a good password manager, like Dashlane, can handle all of these MFA methods for you. If you're interested, please follow the link listed. And yes, I do get a bit of credit if you use that link. Thanks. Number 4, stay away from free Wi-Fi. Like most things free on the internet, free or public Wi-Fi can come at a price. While it's convenient to use, public Wi-Fi is, by its nature, open. That means anyone with the skill can hack into it and steal the information that's being sent over the network, including usernames, passwords, security question answers, birth dates, financial information, and much more. So if you absolutely have to use a free Wi-Fi network, just make sure to protect yourself with a virtual private network, VPN, like Avast's SecureLine VPN. If you're interested, just follow the link to learn more. For more info about VPNs and other VPN choices, just follow the link listed. Number 5. Keep an eye on your bank statements. One of the best ways to spot identity theft before it gets out of control is simply periodically look at your bank statements and see if there's anything funky going on. If you find an unauthorized charge, report it at once to your financial institution so that they can shut down the avenue through which the cybercriminal drove in. Many financial institutions are also insured, so there's a decent chance you'll get your money back, especially if you catch the problem quickly. Number 6. Educate yourself about phishing methods. Phishing is when cybercriminals use social engineering techniques to get you to give up your personal information willingly. That phishing email can look like it's coming from your boss, for example, and asking for an urgent document, or pretending to be a loved one in distress. Educating yourself about phishing methods so that you can spot them when they happen is a great step toward protecting yourself from identity theft. You'll find additional advice about preventing identity theft at the FTC website. Just follow the link listed. My thanks to Emma McGowan for her informative article which prompted this video. You'll find her article on the Avast blog at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that identity theft is a real and prevalent problem for pretty much everyone these days. With a little know-how and some technical tools to back you up, you can avoid becoming a victim. Bye-bye, and I'll see you again soon. As always, thanks for watching and listening.